Friends, starting with accounts. Hope you all are fine at your home. Page number 32, sum number 9. Continuing with long sums again, big sums. Bhadresh and Hiral are the partner of a firm. Their profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2. On 1/4/2016, total capital of partners was rupees 4,20,000. The proportion of their fixed capital was 4:3. On this day, the balances of their current account are as follow. Bhadresh 36,000 credit, Hiral 24,000 debit. So reading the question, you come to know that you have to prepare two capital account. Okay. Why two capital account? Because this is fixed capital method. You have to prepare two account. One will be fixed capital account, another will be current capital account. As per the partnership deed, 12% interest is payable on the capital of the partner. Provide per annum 10% interest on the opening balance of current account. अभी देखो फिक्स कैपिटल के ऊपर कितना इंटरेस्ट पे करना है 12% और करंट कैपिटल के ऊपर 10% per annum. Now 12% is to be charged on drawings and 2,400 per month as a salary is payable to Bhadresh for his active role in the firm. On 1/10/2016, Bhadresh has withdrawn 36,000 and on 1/1/2017, Hiral has withdrawn 48,000. 10% commission on net profit is payable to Hiral from the net profit after deduction of his such share from net profit. Before consideration of above adjustment for the year 31/3/2017 of the firm, profit was 4,68,000. From the above information, prepare profit and loss appropriation, partners capital account, current and as well as by the fixed method. Here see, you have to prepare your capital account by fixed method. So two account capital account we will prepare. Yes, we have prepared P&L appropriation account. This is partners fixed capital account and here it is partners current capital account. Now first you see the starting of the sum. Your total capital is given. Total capital. How much it is given? 4,20,000. This total capital 4,20,000. The proportion is also given. Ratio. See, there are two ratios given. One is P&L ratio, that is 3:2. And another it is given the proportion of fixed capital is 4:3. तो ये जो रेशियो, ये जो हमको टोटल कैपिटल दिया हुआ है उसको हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे 4:3 में. That is 4,20,000 multiply by 4 divide by 7 and 4,20,000 multiply by 3 divide by 7. This will be the capital of Bhadresh and this will be the capital of Hiral. Okay, how much you are getting? Amount will be 2,40,000 and 1,80,000. This will be the capital of Bhadresh and this will be the capital of Hiral. So first step we have completed. This is our buy balance that we will put in the fixed capital. That we will put in the fixed capital. In Bhadresh 2,40,000. In Hiral 1,80,000. this is the fixed capital. Now putting the balances of current capital in current capital account. What is the balance of current capital? See, Bhadresh 36,000 credit, तो 36,000 भद्रेश की क्रेडिट में है तो क्रेडिट में डालना है. 1/1/2016 it is by balance it is given 36,000 credit, तो क्रेडिट में डालना है. Now see of Hiral. Hiral it is given 24,000 debit, तो हमको डेबिट में डालना है. This is our debit side. We will write over here to balance 24,000. Got it? See, we are doing the first sum in which there are two separate accounts. That is fixed capital account and current capital account. Both accounts differently they are given. Okay? So please understand what is the fixed capital. Fixed capital will come in fixed capital account and current capital account balances will come in the current capital account. Now moving further, as per the partnership deed, per annum 12% interest is payable on capital. On capital ही word use हुआ है 12%, तो हम किसके ऊपर देंगे? इसके ऊपर 12%. 24,000 12%, 1,80,000 12%. This will be our interest on capital. How much it is coming? 12%. It will come to 28,800 and 21,600. So where you will write interest on capital? See, nothing will come in the fixed capital account. Fixed capital account will remain fixed. That's why only it is known as fixed capital account. Fixed capital account will remain fixed. All the entries will be included in the current capital account itself. Okay, so write it over here. 31/3/2017 by interest on capital 28,800 and 21,600. Got it? Now moving further, provide 10% interest on opening balance of current account. अभी करंट अकाउंट के ओपनिंग बैलेंस पर हमको 10% इंटरेस्ट देना है. व्हाट इज द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ करंट अकाउंट? भद्रेश का 36,000 है. 36,000 10% 3,600, तो कहाँ पे लिखोगे? भद्रेश का यहाँ पे है, क्रेडिट में है, तो उसका इंटरेस्ट भी क्रेडिट में आएगा. बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, करंट कैपिटल इट विल बी 3,600. 31/3/2017. और इसका हीरल का सी ऑफ हीरल इट इज 24,000. 24,000 10%. इट्स ऑन द डेबिट साइड, तो उसका इंटरेस्ट भी कौन सी साइड आएगा? डेबिट साइड. सो हियर यू विल राइट टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन capital 36,000 10%, 24,000 10% 2,400. देखो इसकी बैलेंस क्रेडिट थी तो हमने उसका इंटरेस्ट भी क्रेडिट में डाला. इसकी बैलेंस क्या थी? डेबिट थी, तो उसका इंटरेस्ट भी डेबिट में. नाउ गिविंग द सेकेंड इफेक्ट ऑफ इट इन P&L appropriation account to interest on capital, Bhadresh, Hiral. First this one 28,800, then second one 21,600. Put the total outside. Total will come to 5,400, 50,400. 400. Second, now see the interest of this current account. This current account will come over here. So to interest on current capital भद्रेश, how much it is? 3600. और यहाँ पे जो हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दिया, ये कौन सी साइड है? डेबिट साइड. इट विल कम ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ P&L appropriation account. Interest on current capital Hiral, it will come 2400. Now moving further, provide 10% interest on opening balance. That we have done. Now per annum 12% interest is to be charged on drawings. 12% interest हमको देना है किसके ऊपर? तो ड्राइंग्स के ऊपर. तो पहले देख लेते हैं ड्राइंग्स कितने हैं. On 1/10/2016 भद्रेश withdrawn 36,000. On 1/10/2016 भद्रेश ने विड्रॉ किया, मीन्स राइट इट टू ड्राइंग्स 36,000, and here it will come on 1/1/2017 Hiral has withdrawn 48,000. 1/1/2017 Hiral ने कितना विड्रॉ किया? 17,000. Sorry, 48,000 it is. Hiral has withdrawn 48,000 on 1/1/2017. Now give interest on drawings, that is 12%. 12%. Now how you have to calculate interest on drawings? Interest on drawings 36,000, 12% multiply by from when you have taken 1/10/2016. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3 for 6 months. So multiply by 6, divide by 12. You will get your interest on drawing. Then second one of Hiral 48,000, 12% when you have taken 1/1/2017. So 1, 2 and 3. Why? Because our year ends on 31/3/2017. So multiply by 3, divide by 12. That will be your interest on drawing. Your interest on drawing will be 2160, 2160 and 1440. Okay, write it over here. 31/3/2017 to interest on drawings 2160 and 1440. This interest on drawings, second effect we will give in the P&L appropriation account by interest on drawings Bhadresh Hiral 2160 and 1440. Total will come to 3600. Okay. Now moving further. Now what it is? 2400 per month as a salary are payable to Bhadresh for his active role in the firm. अभी भद्रेश को सैलरी जाएगी कितनी? 2400 per month as a salary is payable to Bhadresh. भद्रेश को 2400 per month. तो 2400 multiply by 12. Okay. 2400 multiply by 12, that will give you 28,800. सी 2400 एक मंथ की है तो 12 महीने की कितनी, तो इट विल बी 28,800. दैट इज एक्सपेंस ऑफ द बिजनेस. सो राइट इट ओवर हियर. टू सैलरी ऑन द डेबिट साइड 28,800 Bhadresh. Okay, and in Bhadresh account it will come over here 31/3/2017 by salary 28,800. Now move further. Commission is given. See now, 10% commission on the net profit is payable to Hiral from the net profit, but after deduction of his such share from profit. Now first, how much is the profit given? So your net profit is given, write it over here by P&L account. It is given 4,68,000. Total करो इसका. The total of it will come to 4,12,800. Okay. From this total 4,12,800 में से ये तीनों को माइनस करो. ये तीनों को माइनस करोगे, you will get the amount 3,30,000. How much you will get? 3,30,000. ये 4,12,800 में से ये सबको माइनस करोगे, you will get as 3,30,000. So this is including commission. तो ये हमारा कमीशन इसमें से हमने निकाला नहीं है. This profit is including commission. We have done after deduction sum. Okay, तो ये 3,30,000 में कमीशन ऑलरेडी इंक्लूड है. मतलब ये हमारा क्या है? 110. So what will be our 100? So our 100 will be 3,30,000 multiplied by 100 divide by 110. That will give you 3 lakh. तो हमारा बिना कमीशन वाला प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? 3 लाख. तो हमारा कमीशन कितना होगा? कमीशन विल बी 30,000. दिस इज अवर नेट प्रॉफिट और ये हमारा कमीशन है. Our commission will be 30,000. Again repeating, after deduction what is given. That means this 3,30,000 is including commission. ये 3,30,000 में commission include है. Okay, so what will be without commission? मतलब without commission मतलब 100 कितना होगा? So it will be 3 lakh. तो 3,30,000 में से 3 लाख निकाल दो तो ये 30,000 कमीशन रह गया. नाउ राइट इट ओवर हियर. टू कमीशन Hiral 30,000. Okay, and this 3 lakh that I will make a space and write by commission over here. 30,000. Okay. Now only the profit distribution is left, that I am rubbing this one. This 3 lakh we have to distribute in the P&L ratio. ये 3 lakh हम किस में distribute करेंगे? P&L ratio. What is the P&L ratio given? 3:2. So ये 3 lakh 3:2 में distribute करेंगे. तो 3:2 3 lakh multiply by 3 divide by 5. It will come to 1,80,000. 3 lakh multiply by 3, divide by 5. Same way 3 lakh multiply by 2, divide by 5. This will give you 1,20,000. Sorry, 1,80,000. And next one will give you 1,20,000. This you have to distribute to partners' capital. Remember, profit you have to distribute into P&L ratio. Directly I am writing over here because of lack of space. 31/3/2017 by P&L appropriation account 1,80,000 and 1,20,000. Now finding out the balance. ये सबका total करो, that is 36,000. First doing the total, completing this. See, fixed capital will remain fixed, so here it will come 2,40,000, 1,80,000. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 31/3/2017 to balance. Same it will be 2,40,000, 1,80,000. This account got completed over here. Now here do the total of this 36,000 plus 28,800, 36,600, 28,800 and 1,80,000. Your total will come to 2,77,200. 2,77,200. From this 2,77,200, deduct all this amount, that is minus 36,000 minus 2,160. So it will come to 2,39,000. Your balance will come to 2,39,240. Write it over here to balance. (31/3/2017). Same way do of Hiral. 21,600 plus 30,000 plus 1,20,000. Your total will come to 1,71,600. 1,71,600. From this 1,71,600, deduct 1,14,40, 48,000, 24,000, 24,000. ये 1,71,600 में से ये सब कुछ माइनस कर दो. You will get your balance as 95,760. Okay. Here we have completed with the sum number 9. Okay, the same illustration is given to you that we will do in the next session. Same type of illustration. First I have done with the sum. Okay, same type of illustration we will do in the next session. Okay, till that time, take care. Bye.